Bastard.
Now the power went out. It's not even a full moon.
I started to do something the time I did it.
Ooh,
Hang on, buddy. I got another bag coming for you.
it's sad that poor mom.
Wait a minute. I lied.
This little guy. And it's a little baby possum. Oh, he's preening. Or whatever. Grooming himself. Are you grooming yourself? Look at that. Look at those perfect little feet. They're so cute. And little tiny hands. He's got these little tiny hands. Come over and take care of him.
Business.
Yeah, you keep grooming, little buddy. Alright? There you go.